Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get Steam downloads to go faster. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Improving Steam download speeds can be helpful for faster installation and updates. Here are several tips to try. Open Steam and go to Steam and the top left corner. Then choose to click Settings, Downloads. On the download region, choose a server location that is geographically closer to you, or choose a server with less traffic. Another method, ensure that your internet connection is stable and capable of handling high-speed downloads. Next method, close any unnecessary applications or programs running in the background that might consume bandwidth. Next method, if possible, connect your PC directly to your router or modem using an Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi. Another method, in Steam settings, adjust the download settings such as download restrictions, limiting bandwidth to optimize speed based on your internet connection. By applying these steps, you should be able to optimize your Steam download speeds and experience faster downloads for games and updates. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.